Good day, everybody. We came to Ban Chiang National Museum in, where are we?
Udon Thani.
Udon Thani. And it says here in English, Ban Chiang is a prehistoric site which represents the development of culture, society, and technology of ancient people in Southeast Asia, approximately 5,600 years ago. It was registered as UNESCO World Heritage in whatever that says, 1992, as its worth and features corresponded with the third standard, which is it represents a rare and unique monument, or it attests to a tradition of civilization that is either active or already extinct. The Fine Arts Department established Ban Chiang National Museum as the museum of the site for preserving the exhibiting artifacts. The project was aimed to encourage people and youth to understand and realize the importance of preserving one of the world's precious cultural heritage for next generations. So we're going to take you inside and show you what they have in the museum. It's 150 baht for foreigners, and Thai nationals are free. Bone tools, everything in here is 5,600 years old to
Number 3.
1,800 years ago. Wow. Very old.
I don't wanna see you. I don't wanna hear you tonight. I don't wanna fight you. You don't wanna know if I feel alright. I don't wanna just forgive you. I just wanna be fine. I'll be waiting for a sign to light up. Yeah. And your heart is out of sight. I just wanna feel mine. Hey you. I'm gonna be the one for another one. Hey you. Maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I don't wanna see you. I don't wanna fear you tonight. You don't wanna know me. You just wanna make sure you're right. I'm gonna be the one for another one. Maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I'm gonna be the one for another one. I don't wanna feel you tonight. Got me. Got me. Can I hear you? Got me. Got me. Can I hear you? I don't wanna call you. I don't wanna know what you think. I'm the one you go to whenever you feel like you're about to sink. I don't wanna just forget you, but I wanna be fine. I'll be waiting for a sign to light up. Yeah. And your heart is out of sight. I just wanna feel mine. Hey you. I could become the one for another one. Hey you. Maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I'm gonna be the one for another one. Maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I'm gonna be the one for another one. I don't wanna fear you tonight. Got me. Got me. tonight. I don't wanna fight you. You don't wanna know if I feel alright.
I've been counting down the days to get out. I've been looking for a way from this town. And you're too far away to help me now. So I'm counting down the days to get out. 'Cause I need to learn to forget everything that drags me down. I need to forget everything inside me now. Full speed ahead, fly from the end. So I'm full speed ahead. Full speed ahead. Full speed ahead. I've been staring at the sun in my eyes. I've been keeping on the run every night. But you're too far away to see the signs. So I'm staring at the sun till I'm dry. 'Cause I need to learn to forget everything that drags me down. I need to forget everything inside me now. Full speed ahead, fly from the end. So I'm full speed ahead. Full speed ahead.
dead beneath the